different place that is also blocked. That's why I took the Aragadda route and then I came. Tomorrow onwards I will take the same route. 3 days it will take. You guys also can go and watch the place. It's actually beautiful right now. Good morning, Sanjay. Yeah, fine guys. Sir, after downloading the Lambok API, doing all the setups, not getting to these two extra folders. Yeah, fine. For this one, I will, who's that? Abhishek, right? Abhishek, for this one, okay, tomorrow I will do what? I will bring one URL there. And in the offline people also, if you are facing the issue, I will paste the URL in the classroom only. And I will tell you the steps, try this, right? I will give you one URL. Actually, this because of the IDE's version issue, guys. 17, I mean to say, some new Eclipse is following some other process, and the older one approach is pretty different. So there is one common solution for it. I will provide you. Fine. Let's see. Shall we start our class, guys? Yeah, fine. Let's start our class. Now, think about it. क्या कुछ तो कम ही लग रहा है. Oh, are not taken out my mobiles. आदत हो गई. One office, one personal. दो नहीं. Office work is different. Personal work is different. I am not collabing my two life at the same time. So when I was in the room, I'm getting call in that. When I was in the room, if I'm getting call in this, I'm not picking up. Now let's see. So let's start with our today concept, which is very important one, though we are going to change some things in our technique of learning from today onwards. Right? Let's start, guys. Now, everybody concentrate, online and offline people both. So right now I'm writing here. How many people have joined? Let me check. 80. There also 10-15 people missed. Okay. I can consider it. Let's start. Now everybody concentrate here, guys. Now I'm writing here A, class A, right? I'm writing here class B. Let it be class B. Suppose I'll let it be class A only for a while, right? And then suppose here, whatever the question I'm asking, please immediately give me the replies. Then we'll follow the approach. Application context.xml. Right now. Please concentrate, please. Let me take the beans. This one, schema context, yeah. Context is there. Let me take this bean. Great. Let me add it on our class file. Okay. Now, right now, let me close this one. Let's go to the main. Right, let's go to the main class. Everybody please watch it. And we had written one configuration file or not? Yes. We had written one configuration. Which configuration? XML configuration. This XML configuration is for what purpose? Giving information to IOC container about my class. Then IOC container will do what? Create the object. Right? Tell me first. Create the object. Dependency injection happen. Lifecycle methods will be followed up. Right? All those things will happen. Great. Now, how you are declaring a bean, guys? How you are defining a bean? Bean, right? I mean to say how you are defining it. ID equals to A, class equals to some package name, which is com. What is that package name, guys? Com dot day24 dot A class. Great. Now, I'm going in the main and I'm using the IOC container. Now, which IOC container I have to create? Tell me which IOC container I have to create? Class path, annotation or file? Why class path? Great. Perfect. Now I'm writing here application context equals to new class path. Very good, guys. Perfect. Nice. Now I'm writing here the package name com slash, and after that day 24 and application hyphen context dot, what is that? XML. Great, guys. Everybody understand carefully. Now see here. Now see, I'm writing here public a sysout a class executed. Right? A class executed. Now tell me, guys, what will happen if I am going to run this program. Right? I'm writing here sysout main method executed. Everybody will give the answer. Executed. If I'm writing here. Now tell me, I'm going to run this program from this place itself. What's your answer? Again, see the class one by one. Online people or offline both. There is a package which we have a class A, which we have a constructor, right? There is one application context where we had defined the bean, right? And then in the main method we had defined the IOC container. Now go with the flow. Now what is the flow? First of all, IOC container is created, container created. Okay, the information is given in the class path. IOC container will reach to the class path. Okay, the class path contain which value? Application context XML, right? It will go to the application context XML. It will load the class or not? First of all, it will not load the class. It will check the what? Package where the class is available, information about the class. Now you are providing the class name or not? Now it will go to the class or not? And after that, what will happen? You understand and tell me the answer. What's your answer right now? Online people, tell me, what's your answer? Huh? What's your answer? Main method executed. Anything else or only this one? Only main method executed. Previous class. Okay, let me go to the class. Constructor also. Don't fear, just relax. Tell me. Main method executed. Acha, I'm not getting. Can you pass the answers, guys? What? You can tell the answer to her, Shikit. Acha, dependency. We are not using any dependency injection. Dependency injection for the values. Right now, we had not written any values, no? Right. Now tell me, guys. Okay. Long on. हाँ तुम्ही तो long on वही तो होता है. Now tell me, what's your answer? Main method executed. Constructor also. Okay, great, perfect. Last. Yeah. Your answer, buddy. Main method same क्या होता है? Same आपसे. Main method executed. Okay, great. Okay. Main method executed. Okay, hold on. Okay, Anand Kumar online. Can you give me your answer, guy? We are not calling the object, so only main method. Okay, only main. Anand Kumar, are you there? Chalo. In online, I have almost 15 name whom if I pick up, they will be not present here. Only main. Bridges, yeah, fine. Only main. Online, I have a 15 name with me whom I will, if I call your name, you will be not available. because you had put the class in recording and you went away, or you are sleeping. Let me tell you, I am not the stone age person. If you had not seen me right now through camera, right, by listening my voice, don't think that maybe this particular person will be the age of 40 and 50 and what he knows. What you guys don't know, I know about it. Online people. What you will going to think, I know about it. And what you are going to attempt, I already attempted all those things. So, all the people, please present inside the class. I'm not so good, Sanjay. That's why I'm not opening my camera. Study. I will. मैं क्या भूत थोड़ी हूँ भाई. Right? See the content. Don't see my face. Right? Content will be there with your lifetime, not my face. Chalo, tell me, what's your answer? Final answer. Chalo yaar, time pass ho raha hai. Chalo. What is the answer? Main or both? The people who told only the main, how you are analyzing it, that's my small question. When I told you the execution flow, that when IOC container will reach out to this path, it will go to this path and sorry, inside this path, the class is loaded or not? IOC container will reach to the class. Now, IOC container is going to perform how many operations, guys? Container started or not? Yes. After that, what will happen? Class will be found and class is loaded or not? When the class is loaded, after that, what will happen? Object creation will happen or not? And after that, dependency injection happen or not? Now, when the object creation will happen, constructor will execute or not? Then how you people think about only main will execute? This is the interview question. Directly given the class to you and asking you what's your answer. This is the execution flow which we are already speaking about 23 days and still 40% people are giving wrong answer. I hope right now the things is clear in your mind. Now, my question is, everybody concentrate. Can I change the way of IOC container for creating the object? Object means right now when IOC container will create it, right? Can I change the way or not? I mean to say, chalo, first of all, let's see. Now, I don't want to use XML. Then can I configure my own class to IOC container? How, sir? With the help of annotation or not? Which annotation we are going to use? Stereotype annotation. So what we have to write, guys? @component. Now for @component, right? This is stereotype annotation. If I don't use XML, we have to, if we'll use XML, we have to write context colon component scan or not, right? When we are writing this thing, then only it can able to search. What it will search? Stereotype annotation. And if there any helper annotation also, internally it will call which annotation? Which tag it will call? Tell me fast, give me the answer. Which tag it will call? Context colon annotation config it will internally call or not? And context colon annotation config contain all the bin post processor or not? We know about it, guys. Now I don't want to use the XML file. Kahan gaye online people? Yeah, we don't want to use the XML file, right? Let's see. Now, with the help of component, I had declared the class. Now, inside this main, right, instead of writing class path, guys, what we can provide? Instead of writing class path, we can write here one thing. Let me Yeah, hold on. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Because I need it. Again, I have to write. Now, I need here. Now I'm writing application context. Now, which IOC container can manage all the annotation and can provide all the bean post processor? Great. Annotation config, application context. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Now you understand. This is the testing of yours. Right now, how much you understood. Now, as per me, if I will be the interviewer, 60% people you are maybe selected or maybe on hold, but I will not reject you. Maybe on hold means I will search. There is more perfect candidate on as compared to you or not. Otherwise, I will give the chance to you. अभी भी proper नहीं है. Now you can touch the ball. Previously it's going bouncers for you. You are dugging it out. Now little bit थोड़ा bat से touch हो रहा है. तो hit करने नहीं जाना है अभी. Right? I will tell you when to hit the things. Now let's see everyone. Now when I'm doing these things and I'm going to run the application, tell me the same scenario will be followed up or not. Are you sure? Are you sure? Again, I'm asking you for the confirmation. Whatever the things happening with the XML file, if I'm using annotation config, is the same things will be followed up or only the main method? What is the difference between that? If you are using your scientist mind, that हो सकता है इसमें change. What is the change, guys? Right now we are using application context. Now we had removed the application context. Now same thing we are doing with the annotation config or not. तो इसमें कौन सा scientist वाला चीज हो गया? That you are thinking, कुछ तो है. नहीं. Is it same or not? Obviously same. Now my question is right now. Can I change the way of IC container for creating the object? Huh? How? Huh? Sorry? No, I'm not getting your point, or you are not getting my point. What I'm trying to tell you. When annotation right now, config application context we are writing, it is creating object or not? Suppose if I don't want that class, still the object created or not? Again, I am asking you. Right now we have a class, what? A class. This is very, very important to understand. Right? Suppose, right now, think about it. Suppose we don't need, right? We don't need, or we don't have the use of A class. Now tell me, guys. Right now my requirement is not there of the A class. That still it is creating the object of A class or not? But I don't need it now. I don't need it now. That's why this I am asking you, can I change the way of IC container of creating the object? That suppose if we don't need you don't have the use of A class, can I stop A class object creation? Huh? Yes, sir. We can stop with the annotation known as your favorite annotation, right? Which is lazy. Which you guys are. Right? Now, when I'm going to write here lazy, guys, now everybody see here, I'm going to run this program, right? And check what is only executing. Is the object is created? Sir, when the object you want, when the object will be created, when you want. When you want. You want in a sense, context colon, get bean, and I'm writing here A, and I'm writing here A dot class. Right? A dot class. And when I'm going to run this application, then only you can see I will get the object. If I don't call this, guys, if I don't need the A class, then the object will be not created. And that's how we can change the IOC container object creation status. I hope everybody is clear about it. This is just a theory. I will show you today the program. Actually, see, every place you are just learning the concepts. You had never ever have an idea where to use, when to use, which requirement is needed, right? So we will follow that process. Now let's see guys, this is perfect, great. Now one more thing is there. Now suppose right now I'm writing here, everybody concentrate. Let me do refactor. Yeah, online people, are you clear with it guys? Yeah, refactor. A class status. Now I'm writing this one, A class status suppose. और आओ 9 बजे आओ तुम, खत्म होने से 10 मिनट पहले, राइट फिनिश. अच्छा आप भी हैं, थोड़े देर रुक जाते सर. A class status is there. Now everybody understand here. A class status is there. The class is right now in which case? Camel case. Class is there in camel case. Okay. Now tell me, by default the class name is in a small letter. By default, if you are writing component, if you are not specifying any name, when you are writing main dot this one, main dot a dot this one, are you seeing this is in small letter? Okay, now my class name is what guys? Everybody concentrate. My class name is what? Right now my class name is A status class. Okay, A class status is there. Now everybody concentrate. I'm going here and I'm making all the things in small letter. A class status. Right? A class status. And then I'm going to write here A class is A class. कहाँ गया? A class कहाँ है यार? A class status dot class, and then we are writing inside the bean. Everybody please concentrate. We are writing inside the beans. Beans. क्या है? Now let's see guys, everyone. क्या है भाई? Let's see. Now we are writing this one. Tell me. Answer is right now what? Main method executed. And constructor executed. Aisha? Again, no बोलने से पहले देख लो. Are we in my A class status, do we have lazy? Yes. Means at the time of IOC container, object will be not created. When it will be created? When we call. Are we calling it? Yes. Can object is created? Can constructor will be called? Now when I'm going to run this application, tell me what's the answer guys? It is giving you exception. Sir, why? I had written each and everything in small letter, and though it is working, see guys, if there is a single class name, all class will be in small letter. But if you are writing camel case, if you are writing this camel case, you can see this is a camel case or not? Yes. Status also will be there, right? Now, if there is a camel case type, only you can see, I hope I had seen somewhere in the interview this one. A class status, only the first letter should be small, right? I hope it will work. Now, let's run the program. No bean factory. Okay. Status, camel case. क्या तो था? Class. नहीं, फिर तो ये वही हो गया. Right or not? Okay, wait a minute. Defined A class status not available. Somewhere I had seen. Wait a minute. Is it something like this? Then it will work. Let me refactor the class, guys. Refactor, rename, and make this as status. Camel case is there. A class finish. Great. Let's go to the main.java. Status, yeah, status. A class status. Yeah. Let me check. class, when you are writing a single class means not in a camel case, right now in a normal manner, right? In a normal manner, just understand here. Now suppose you are writing here A. Then what we are going to write here in small letter, just in a small letter. We no need to go here and there. Just we are writing in small letter. What the small letter? A only. Then it will start working. But if the class is of camel case, then we have to write the first letter as small. I will show you. I don't know why it's not working, but exact. The things are exact. Don't worry. Right now, I will check out it. Just hold on this point. Right. So I hope you understand how the object creation can be stopped. With the help of which annotation? Lazy. Okay, great guys. Perfect. Online people, understood? Version issue? No. No. Version issue is not there. I will see. Maybe some internal configuration hoga. Yeah, let's see guys. Now suppose I have a class B. Okay, everybody concentrate here guys. I have a class B here. Right? And I'm writing here public B class, and I'm writing here sys out of B class constructor. Right? B class constructor is there. Now suppose here I'm using XML file and I'm defining here one more bean. Right guys? I'm defining one more bean. Let me remove this. Right? I'm defining one more bean. Please everybody concentrate here guys. I'm defining one more bean. So I'm writing here bean id equals to, I'm writing here B, class equals to, I'm writing here com dot day 2024 dot what one? B1. Okay, great. Now we have how many class guys? 2 class. Let me remove the lazy and let me remove the component like that. This for a while. Right? So we have how many class guys? B, and we have A. And we have defined all these 2 class inside where? XML configuration file or not? Yes, sir. Great. Now inside the main method, right? So for a while, let me comment this one and let me use the XML path. Right? Let me use the XML path. Great. Perfect. Now tell me right now, what's your answer, guys? What's your answer? Right now, application context is there. Again, go for the same thing. Right now, it will go for the IOC container is created. Yes. Everybody concentrate. Container is created. Madam. Mobile nahi. See, what will happen? It will go to IOC container. I mean to say configuration file. Which configuration file? XML. It will reach to the XML configuration file. How many classes are there? 2 classes. Which classes are there? A and B class. Now both the class is loaded or not? Both the class object created or not? And both the class after object creation IC container keep with him or not? Yes. What's your answer? Main. Now tell me what's your answer? Main method executed? A or B first? Are you sure? Now means in which order we are writing inside the XML, in this order only it will executing. Okay, great, perfect. Now see guys, everyone, now I'm writing here in this case, right? Now you can see A is executed. If you run how many time also, how many time also it is executing? Is it or not? Now I want to change the order. Now on B should be execute first. That's why I had asked you the question. Can I change the way of creating the object of IOC container? I need B should be execute first. Then what you will do? Sir, इसको line में up कर दो. Is it? तुम लोग solution यार, तुम लोग developer मत बनना. शाम में company बंद होगी. In the evening only the company will going to be closed up if you will become a developer finally. Sir, what happened? There is some issue. What we have to do? Shut down the laptop. Right? Perfect. Great solutions. Right? Clap for you. Stupids. Tell me. No, not configuration, right? That's why IOC container had provided one thing which is known as depends on. Suppose before A class, who need to be execute first? A, right? A, right? I need that at A, first B will be execute, then A. Means who want to be execute first? A, na? That's why we are writing depends on what, guys? B. Now, when we are going to write it, guys, and when we are going to run this program, you can see what we are going to get the answer. Is it? Yes. Now, are we using XML? Are we using XML? No. Are we using right now XML? No, na? No. We are using what annotation? Okay, perfect. Now, in the annotation right now, everybody concentrate here. In the annotation right now, it will go. We are creating here an application context, annotation config and all those things. Again, it will follow the same process or not? Okay, it will go to the scanning the package. Package is 24. Inside the 24, we have two class annotated with stereotype, right? A class as well as which class, guys? B class. Right now, B class. Now, when the annotation config will check the package, every class it will scan inside the package. Inside the package, how many classes are there? Two class with the stereotype annotation or not? Yes. It will load the class. It will create the object. Okay. In which order it will create the object? A or B? A or B? Huh? A or B or not? Arey, I'm not calling it. Don't worry. I'm not calling it. In which way you are writing the configuring? In this order only the application context is executing or not? Yeah, in the same order. You are thinking, sir, how same order will be there? In the XML I had written by myself. That's why order. Here, what is the order you are writing? That's why directory process will be followed up every time. You are writing packages for different term. First configuration, then service, then model, then controller. Now, this is different scenario. Just understand. Right now, it will execute A class and then it will execute what, guys? B class. Because who created first? A. Right? After that, we had created B. Okay, hold on, everyone. Means, sir, if I write B before A, is it? Is it? Now, let's see here. Let me remove this. Everybody concentrate. Control X. Let me remove the A class. I am deleting the A class. Right, I am deleting the A class. Now I'm going, again I'm creating the A class. Right, A class. Right, and then again I'm writing all the things which we have. Right, all the things which we have. Now, again you can see alphabetical order or not. Huh? Achha. Chalo, wait. Chalo. Wait. Hold on. Remove the A class? Yes. Now I'm writing here which class, guys? C class. C class. Right? Okay. Concentrate is very important question, guys. In interview, this type of critical question will be asked to you. Right? Now, sys out. Right now I'm writing here sys out. Right? And I'm writing C class constructor. C class constructor. Great. C class constructor is there. And I'm writing here what? At the rate what? Component. Okay, great. At the rate component. Now, again, let's see. What will be the answer as per you? What will be the answer? Huh? Right. Great. Perfect. Now, I'm going to write B1. B and B1. Now, let me refactor it. Every possibility I'm showing you. Now, I'm going to write here B1. Next, finish. Now, the class is B. Now, right now B. And this is C class. I'm writing as B2. Or B. Let's see. Refactor it. Rename. Hold on. This C class, I'm writing it as what, guys? B. Next. Finish. Now, we have which class? B class. We have which class? B1 class. Right? Now tell me, when IC container will check, which object will create first? Online people. Which class? Aisha, Pakka. Oh, sorry. What is that? B class, sorry. B class constructor and B1 class. So you can see it's all about the alphabetical order or not? Huh? Can you write 2B class? No. Class already exists, it will tell. Definitely you will write B1 only. So in which order you are writing alphabetically, in that order the IC container will pick up or not? This thing get the clarity in your mind. Right? Now understand. Now I want B1 should be execute first before B. Previously you can see here. If we are running, which is executing first one? Which is executing first one? B. And then what we executing? B1. I need the B1 should be execute first before B. Then in application context, what we are writing? What we are writing? Depends on. But are we using XML? Then what we are going to write? Huh? The same thing, which is depends on. Are you getting my point, guys? Now here also we'll provide it. What we are going to provide? B1. Because right now you can see B1 is a class, right? So by default the class ID component name will be become what? Small na? अब ये one को small कैसे करूं? Right? Don't think about it. Now I'm going to run this program and check out B1 is executed or not. Okay, great, perfect. Now we understood about this rules and regulations. When to use lazy, when to use, tell me first, when to use lazy, when to use, perfect. Now let's do a program, and one small program based on this so that you can understand where to use, when to use, and which scenario we will use. Shall we start, guys? Yeah, so let's start with the programmings. Sar pe rakh do mera. Yeah, let's start with the programming, guys. Let's see. Everybody concentrate. Now I'm going to write here one class, right? Let's take a class. Banking operations. Suppose here, everybody understand. Banking operations. It's better for you. Banking operations are there. Everybody concentrate, please concentrate here, because I'm doing the program. The concept is not there. You have to understand how the programming execution is there, and based on it, I'm going to give you the task for doing it in the same manner with different example. That's why please concentrate. This is the only important part. Programming we need. Theory we will create. Right? We need the use. Let's see, guys, everyone. Now let's see. Now I'm writing here, right? Here as a private string, bank username. Everybody understand? Bank username. Username I'm writing. The next one I'm writing here, private string, bank name. Bank name is there. Private. No, branch nahi, wait. Let me perform some operation for you. So for this, what I will do? No, wait. Let me analyze it. Fine. Now everybody see bank. You can see that current balance. Current balance is there. Okay, let's take 3 only. That will become a little tough for you. Now I'm writing here banking operation. Everybody concentrate here. Banking operation is there. And then I'm writing here sysout. Some operations will be there, right? Which is going to be held on, right? And I want to set this value. Through setter. So let's go for the source, generate setter, right? Generate setter, select setters, right? And done. And after that, I'm going to give some perform some operation in a sense, like let's write here public void and deposit is there, where the user will write here long account number or amount will be there, and then we are going to write one more thing, which is withdraw. So public void and withdrawal is there, right, where also user is providing the amount. Great, amount is there, and the next one I'm writing here, so balance, like public void, so current balance, where the user is printing the balance. Okay, we have these functionality inside our class. Great. Now let's control shift S or alt shift S, let's see, and let's go for string and generate. That's it. Yeah, perfect. Now we have a class in our place. Everybody concentrate. If I'm not watching you, if I'm writing the program, it's your responsibility to see the board. Or the online people, please concentrate and tell me. Interest rate, all those things, you can add it on. Don't worry. Right? I'm just giving you the dummy process. You can add your functionality, whatever you want. Right? Now, I'm using some validation. Validation means what? Deposit. The amount will be deposited only when the amount will be greater than 0. Else we are going to write here sys err, right? Sys err, invalid amount. Everybody see here, invalid amount is there. Great, perfect. Now if the amount is greater than 0, then I'm going to deposit it, and what we are going to write here, this dot current balance plus equals to, what is that, guys? Amount. Great, perfect. Now we are done with this one. In the same manner, we are going to perform withdraw operation. For withdraw operation, we will also going to write one validation. What is the validation? Tell me. What is the validation? Can you, if your account have 5,000 rupees, can you take 7,000 rupees? Can you take out 0 rupees? Can you take out 0 rupees? Can you take out 7,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees? Yes. Means if the current balance will be greater than equals to amount, right? Think about it. I'm now, right now, I had put the annotation, depends upon you. I had put the annotation in my mind, depends upon you. Now depends upon you. Now tell me, is this validation is right or wrong? Right? Current balance is greater than equals to amount. Is it right? Or less than equals to amount? Again, hold your mind and tell me what you are doing. Think about it. What you are doing? Withdraw. Withdraw means you are taking out the money. Money you are sending inside the parameter. Now what you are checking? The money should be right now, whatever the current balance will be there will be less than amount. Means you are thinking 7,000 rupees, then the account balance should be 5,000, then you can pick the 7,000. तुम्हारा बैंक भाई चोर लूटेगा नहीं, वो पूजा करके पैसा ले जाएगा. He will do worship to you. He's going to tell that who is that devta who had created that type of application. I have 0 rupees and I can take out 10,000 rupees. Wow. So confused with the logic only, huh? If the current balance right now will be greater than or equals to amount, means right now if the amount is 7,000 rupees, the person can take 7,000 rupees, or if the current balance is more than that. If the current balance is 5,000 rupees, guys, tell me, can you withdraw 7,000? Are you understanding now? Yes. ये भी समझाना पड़ेगा. My God. Now this dot current balance minus, everybody, minus equals to what, guys? Amount. Great, perfect. Now, one more thing we have to add, and. Can you take out the money with zero and negative also? So the amount should be greater than zero. If two condition will be valid, then only you can withdraw. Otherwise, in the else sys ERR, we are writing invalid amount, or insufficient balance. Insufficient balance. Great, perfect. Now everybody see here. Now, right now, in the show balance, guys, what additional functionality you can add? You can check username and password. Username and password. Right? You can check it. That you will do. Right now, sys out right now, I'm writing the current balance is, everybody see, the current balance is plus rupees. Right? Rupees right now. What is that? Current balance. Great. Now we have done. Our bank operation class is ready, which having the values. But hold on. How to provide this value? This is a reference value or primitive value? Tell me, reference or primitive? Primitive, how you are doing with the help of setter and constructor injection? Where inside the XML? But are we using XML? Then first of all, without using XML, I have to tell the IOC container about this class now, so that IOC container will load it. How I can tell, guys? With the help of which annotation? Stereotype annotation. Now in the stereotype annotation, what annotation we are going to use? Why component? Because this is a simple Java class. This is not representing any HTTP request, not representing any particular functionalities. Or you can give this class name as service class also, because it is providing you one particular services. Are you understanding? You can do two things, otherwise component or service. So I'm writing here component for a while. We'll see about the service. We'll go on that particular phases a lot. Right? Now we had done. Lots of people outside telling me that, sir, you are not completed the Spring Core only. How you can complete in 90 days? I'm making your root stronger right now. Once the root will be stronger, the wind will be from my side only to you. The storm will be from my side only to you. And if you survive that storm, you understand, you learn the spring. That's why I by myself only keeping your roots strong. I by myself only trying to take out the roots from you. Right? For this thing, मैं ही बिगाड़ूंगा, मैं ही बनाऊंगा तुम लोगों के लिए. Just understand. Right now. And definitely I'm telling you, I'm going to destroy your mindset also. Be ready for it. Then only your mind will be created. If you have a trust on me, you can continue. Right now the things are going very simple. You are thinking class is very easy. The future also the things will be very easy. But if you don't have the common sense, it will feel very difficult for you, I'm telling you. The class will be in that manner only, don't worry. There is no changes that you are not going to understand. Each and every word you will going to understand. But your mind will be going to utilize more things. Now, let's see. Now we are done with this. Now tell me, do we have a primitive value? Yes. I have to initialize it. I have to initialize the values now. Then only I can perform the operation or not. If previously we are using XML or not. In XML we are using setter or constructor injection or not. Now are we using XML? We are using what? Annotation. Then how to give the how to provide the values to this one, guys? Properties file. Perfect. This is the answer I need. That's only I'm talking about. Exact answer. Not values. Properties file. This common sense I'm talking about. Class is not becoming tough. The common sense which we are speaking. Very good. If you are telling directly the answer, perfect. Now we are using the property file, right? Now I'm writing here file. Everybody concentrate here. I'm writing here file, right? And I'm writing here application hyphen. Perfect. What is that? Properties, right? Is it is a recommended name? Can I change the name of property file? Perfect guys, perfect. Great. Awesome. यही तो चाहिए और थोड़ी कुछ काम है. Just relax. Bank username, right? So I'm writing here bank user name equals to right now some name Prashant, Prashant, right? Huh? Pakka? Perfect. Let's see. Right? Now I'm writing here bank. तुम लोग survive हो जाओगे. I hope so. Right? Bank name. Chalo. What is that bank name? Tell me. Underscore not work. Bank not work. Are you sure? Bank not work. Chalo, we'll see. Chalo. See guys, everybody. Now the next one is what is? Bank balance. Right? Bank balance. 500 rupees. Right? हाँ इतना ही बचा ही है भाई EMI जाने के बाद. Salary is just coming for paying the EMIs or the users of homes. कमाने लगो तो पता चलेगा. बहुत कम खर्च होंगी खुद पे. Right? Now let's see guys. Now we are done with this one. Okay, now we'll go for the bank operation and we have to provide the values or not guys? Yes, values we have to provide. So let's provide the values. Where we are going to provide the values? At the rate, what is that? Value. Great. At the rate value. And then directly I'm not going to use XML now. Then are we going to use hash? We are going to use dollar. And directly can I write this name here, bank username like this? Okay, let's go here and then let's go for the bank operation. I'm writing a bank username and then I'm closing the bracket. Is it fine? What we have to do? Double quotes. Perfect. All the mistake I am doing so that you will not going to commit the same. Now, let's put the same thing in the setter here. Bank username. Then let's go here and what is that? Bank name. Let's go to this place. Everybody concentrate. And I'm writing here bank. I'm writing here bank name. Perfect. Now I'm writing here this one. Now I'm writing here current balance, right? And I'm going to this place and I'm taking the balance from this place. Everybody concentrate. Now I'm taking the balance from this place and I'm writing here as what? Bank balance. Perfect guys. Now we are done with the values. Okay, great. Now we are done with the values. It will read the value now. Why? Because we had not told the IOC container where to keep it and where to bring it, right? For this one, what the annotation we have? What is that? Property source. Inside the property source, what we are writing? Class path. Great. Class path is there. And then we are providing the class path. com.day24 com/day24 application dot what guys? Properties. Online people, please type your answers. If I'm not able to see you, please type your answers, right? Great. If you are doing it, great. Now we are done with this one. Okay, great. Now tell me guys, now I'm going for the main. Okay, now I'm going for the main. Everybody please concentrate here. Now I'm going for the main. Let me remove this one, right? And let me remove this one. Now I'm asking here bean dot, right? Bean dot. What is that? Context dot get bean is there, and then I'm giving the name. What is that? Bank operation. Now tell me, is it a camel case? It's a camel case. Yes. Now see, we are going here and we are writing here bank operation as a small letter. Now tell me one thing guys, is this bank operation for one single user and for all user? This bank withdraw deposit can only one person can do or several person can do? Several person. That's why you are changing the name for all user. That's why you are changing the name. Requirement. I'm giving you the requirement when to change the name. For all user. Now what I'm going to write, guys? For all user. And then we are going here and we are writing here what, guys? For all user. Everybody concentrate. For all user. Then I'm writing here a class. What is the class name, guys? Now tell me. Banking operation dot class. Right? Class. Okay? Done. Now let's see right now. Sys out of what is that? Bean is there. Now let's see, am I getting the exact same thing or I'm going to get exception? Allowed? Allowed? Is it allowed? Okay. Now you can see. अरे यार B1 B2 तुम लोग जाओ, अभी काम नहीं है तुम लोग, जाओ 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 जाओ, तुम लोग एग्जीक्यूट होके कंफ्यूज करोगे. Everybody please concentrate here. Okay, sir, what you are trying to tell? I'm trying to tell here we are not building the banking operations only. There is some bank process is also there. Now let me create one bank process. Everybody concentrate. Let me create one bank process. Everyone please concentrate here. I'm writing here class and there is a name bank process. Something bank process is there, right? Or bank report generation. Suppose some report generation is there. Report generation class is there, right? Bank report generation class is there. Now I have to tell IOC container about this class. That's why I'm writing stereotype annotation. Yes, I'm writing here what, guys? Report, right? Report is there. Okay, perfect. Now I'm writing here some operation. Everybody concentrate here. Now I'm writing one bank report generation operation, and at the time of this constructor execution only, I'm giving here. Everybody concentrate. I'm giving here some functionality. Please concentrate. What is the functionality? All data verified. All data verified. Something there. All data verified. Right. After that, I'm writing here sys out. All database connection checked. I'm writing it, but in future we are going to perform these things, right? All database connection checked. Sys out. All data divided into separate PDF. Stored in memory. Great. Stored in memory. Done? Stored in memory. These things. Now, everybody concentrate here. Now, concentrate, guys, everyone. Now, right now, these operations, every user want, everybody see, these operation, every user want, or only few user need it? This report generation will be used by whom? Internally, report generation will be, are you going to, every time you are going to check your, what you can say, I mean the statement, yeah, e-statement, are you checking every time? No. What you are doing? You are just withdrawing, or you are depositing, or you are checking the balance. Every time are you going to check the e-statement? No, na. In the same manner right now, report generation, every time have you need it? No. But what will happen here? Bank operation, every user will need. But report generation, only less user will need. Or when they want, then only they need. But right now you can see, if I'm going to run this application, guys, if we are going to run this application, what you are getting? Do you need it? But it is executing or not? I don't want this. Listen my question. I don't want this class to be executed at the time of IOC container created only. I need when I will call, or when I need it, then only it will execute. Then which annotation we have to work, guys? Tell me, online people, offline people, tell me which annotation? Lazy, right? Lazy annotation. Now I hope you understood the use of lazy annotations. in the project ways, right? When we need certain particular configuration type of things, or the things which is not generally used by the real-time users, right? We'll make the class, as what, guys? Here, what is that? Lazy. Which class? This class, not banking operation. Which one? This one. @lazy. Perfect. Now let's see, guys, everybody concentrate here. Let's write one operation. Everyone, please concentrate. Let's write one operation, right? I don't want every time. Okay, great. So I'm writing the operations here. Now I'm writing a scanner, right? Because user will pass it now. Scanner SC equals to new scanner. Future, we are going to take the input from HTML or JSP or theme leaf, right? Control Shift O. Done. Now let's see, guys, everyone. Now I'm writing here some terms. Concentrate. Sysout. Everybody concentrate. Sysout /U001 B, and I'm writing here 31M, right? Hold on. And I'm writing here enter your choice. Enter your choice. Your choice. Everybody concentrate here. Now I'm writing here sysout /U001 B. Sir, what this /0 will do? It will provide you the color of the code or not? Yes, sir. Sir, how it will provide? Let's see. Press 1 for deposit. You can see the color will be provided inside your code. Now run the program and you can see it is giving the color or not. Yes, you can provide it for making it the things good, looking good, right? This is the Unicode, guys, right? Okay, enter your choice is there, and this one. Okay, let's see, guys. Sysout of right now I'm writing here /U001B, and I'm writing here what 33M is there, and plus, and then I'm writing press 2 for withdraw. Everybody understand here? Now sysout right now /U001B 34M. Everybody concentrate, and we are writing here press 3 for show balance, check balance, right? Check the balance, right? Sysout, and I'm writing here /U001B, and we are going to write here 35M, and we are going to write here press 4 for generating the report, generating the report here. Everybody understand? Now I'm writing here sysout /U001B. Everybody see here 36M, and I'm writing here press 5 for exit. Now tell me, guys, everyone, for this one I'm giving one choice. Int choice equals to sc.next int. I hope you are getting my points. I hope this code is not tough for you. I had selected the most easiest code which will be inserted in your mind, and you can go through with the different program based on this. Okay, done. Now I'm writing here switch case, right? I'm writing here switch case, right? You can use the new version also, or maybe lots of the people are not aware of the new switch case. If you are not aware of, guys, please go through the new updated version of switch case, guys. It's having a lots of scenarios are there, right? All the people have not having the idea, that's why I'm not using it, right? Otherwise they will confuse. Let's go for the simple switch case approach. And but my suggestion will be, please upgrade your knowledge on the latest versions. Like you can see for loop is there, different for loop schemes, as well as switch case is there. Right now in 17 or 14, some new updated 14, I think. New updated version came. So please upgrade yourself. Right? Let's see, guys, everybody. Now I'm writing here what, guys? Break. Now break is there. Now I'm writing here what is that? Case 2, and we are going to write here break. Okay, hold on. Case 3, I'm going to write here what? Break. Case 4, I'm going to write here break. Case 5 we had written, 5. We are going to write here what, guys? Break. And we are writing here default. default, and we are going to write here break. Now tell me everyone, concentrate here. Tell me everyone, I need this particular value should be printed. Everybody check. I need this particular value should be printed one time or several time. Repeated time, na? When you press the exit only, then only you can exit. Otherwise, it will tell you to print this repeated time. Is it possible? By using what, guys? Exactly. We are going to create here while loop. While as what, guys? True. Right? Then while true means, sir, it will never ever going to be failed, right? Then the things will not go out of loop. That's why in the 5 we are going to use what, guys? System dot exit. System dot exit and 0. Sir, the meaning of 1 and 0 will be there. The interview question is there. Why system dot exit is 0 and why we cannot write 1? 0 indicate everything is terminated without 0 default. If your application is terminated without any default or without any issue, you are writing 0. Right? Everybody understand this. Okay, we are done with this one. I hope you guys are not feeling bored. Are you feeling bored? Or are you learning something? Obviously, if you are feeling bored, then nobody is more stupid than you. Because I'm telling you the exact use. Now, see here, guys, everybody. Now I'm writing a sys out. I'm writing here /u double zero 1b, and I'm writing here 32m. Enter the amount. Everybody see here. Enter the amount, and then I'm calling the method. Which method I'm going to call? Deposit. 1 for deposit, na? Yes. Now let's go for the bean, or the method is known as deposit, and we are going to write here amount. Sorry, amount we had not written. Long amount is there. Long amount equals to what is that? SC dot next long. Great. Next long is there, and we are going to pass it to what, guys? Amount. Or amount we had written which manner? Let's see. Amount we had written which manner, guys? Long only, yeah. Exactly. Now let's see. We'll go here and we'll write here what, guys? Amount. Great. Amount is there. Perfect. One operation completed. The next operation in the same manner we are going to write here deposit, or let's write here deposit amount. Deposit amount. Right? Deposit amount. Everybody concentrate here. Deposit amount. Deposit. Arey yaar jana bhai. Deposit amount. Yeah, great. Now let's go here. Copy paste it. Let's go to the case 2. Right? Withdraw amount. And then we are writing here withdraw amount. A very basic example I had selected for you for the first time, as you are seeing the application here. Deposit, withdraw is there, right? Withdraw amount. Perfect. Right? And then in the case 3, show balance. That's why I'm writing here bean dot which method, guys? Show balance. So current balance. Perfect. Right? And in the 4th case, guys, right now, understand. In the 4th case, what we have to do? We have to generate the report now. Now tell me, bank generation report is lazy. At the time of IOC container created, is this report is going to generate? No. Then we have to call it, then it will generate now. That's why I'm going to write in the bank operation, and inside this, I mean to say, in the main, inside this 4, we are writing here what? We are writing here context dot, what is that? Get bean, and the name is what? Report is the name, and the name is bank report generation dot class. Right or not? Yes. Right? And at the last, we are telling thanks for using my application. Right? Namaste. Right? Emoji. Let's add the emoji. right? For emoji window semicolon. For emoji window semicolon. Right? Add the emoji here. Right? You can see here everyone. Now I'm writing here or invalid choice. Sys out invalid choice. And at the last I'm writing here /u 001b and 0m for reset. Reset means right now it will be reset. Everybody concentrate here. Now I'm going to run this application, right? Let's see. I'm going to run this application. Now you can see by default report generation is not available now. The user is getting only the choice. Let's go for the deposit. Now I'm depositing it. Enter the amount 1,000 rupees. I'm entering. You can go. Okay. One thing we had missed in the bank operation. Let's give some status here. Sys out. Yeah, bro. Sys out. Money deposited. Everybody see money deposited. विड्रॉ हाँ ठीक है गलती हो गया मेरे से माफ कर दिया थैंक यू तुम लोग इतने महान हो यार क्या बताओ द नेक्स्ट वन विड्रॉ डन okay great guys let's see now I'm going to the main class run the application and I'm running the application here now right now you can see enter the choice here right are we creating the object anywhere you can see object creation is there are we injecting the values anywhere are we injecting the values no this is requirement this is not value this is requirement are we injecting the value no are we loading the class no are we creating the object no who is creating all those things IOC container will manage the dependency injection or not IOC container will create the object or not load the class or not see the same Java program is now converted into Spring program without all the issues. Now, let's run this application right now and we'll see the execution flow. Everybody concentrate. Now I need one, right? Enter the amount, 1,000 rupees, money deposited. Check the balance. Let's go for check. How many balance? 1,500, right? Previously it's a 5,000. Let's go for 2, right? Take out the money. 1,200 money withdraw. Let's check the balance. How much balance? 300, right? Now I need to generate the report. When I'm generating the report, then I'm getting all the data or not? Right or not? Yes. And then at the 5, we are, thanks for using the application. Namaste, we are getting, right? Right or not? Perfect. Now we are using it. Now think about it. This is the use of right now inside our class. How many persons can use it? One person or multiple person? Multiple person can able to use it on. That's why I have to give the scope as what, guys? Exactly. Prototype. Can you able to understand when to create prototype? Okay, great. Now let's see the last phase of our application. Bank will directly start. It will open the door and everybody will come with the receipt and all those. No, na. When the bank you are calling any Paytm or any like PhonePe, all those, server is internally present or not? Means before this bank operation, the server will execute or not? And server, are you calling or internally it will call? Tell me, when you are going to call, are you going to call the servers? No. Let's see here. Suppose here bank servers are there. Everybody see, bank servers are there. Now inside the bank server, guys, I will tell IOC container about this class also, right? And with the help of component, everybody see here. And I'm writing here public bank server class, right? Bank server class, server constructor. And right now, first of all, it is going to authenticate. Right, what it will do, it is going to authenticate the user, or you can say that verification is there. Authorization and authentication, we will write it when security is there. Verification of all the user, right? Before that, what will happen? Sys out. Right now, database server started, bank server started, right? Laptop, right? Verification of all user. Nah, ये काम नहीं कर रहा. Verification of all user is there, right? Now after that, database connected. So, database connected. Database connected. Right? Everybody see here. Now I'm writing here. Concentrate, guys. Now I'm writing here. Right? The name I'm giving this as server. Server. Right? Understand? Sys out. All set to go. All set to go. Right? All set to go. Right? Now we had done. And before doing it, I am writing here thread dot sleep. Right? 3000. Hold on, everyone. Right? And we'll write here. Done. Now, tell me right now, guys, these things, bank server started, database connection, verification of all user, and all set to be go, will done internally or not? Tell me, these all things done internally or not? When it will done? Automatically, or when only the bank operation will be called? Means I need, before the bank operation, some functionality should be performed or not? That's why I'm using which annotation, guys? Exactly, depends on. Right? And then we are going to write here which one? Server. Means when the server will start, then only this bank operation will be performed. Are you getting or not? Now, let's run this program and check out our functionality. Right? Let's see here, guys, and let's run the program and see server started, database connection, verification of user, all set to go. Are we calling this server by ourselves? No. It is internally calling it? Yes. When it is calling, when we are performing the bank operation. Now we are checking this one, right? Enter the amount. I am writing -1000. It is giving me invalid amount, right? Okay. 2. I am getting it right now 9,000 rupees. It is telling invalid amount or insufficient because we have 500 rupees only, right? Then we are checking the balance here. Then we are मैं तो गरीब हूँ, right? That's ho to ho, right? Don't worry about it. This 500 rupees with your strength will become this. You don't have the willpower, first of all. You're just listening the Instagram manifest. 1111. Your words. Manifesting. 1111. Share this reel. Definitely you will get that good news. This is direct indication of the God. Is it? You are telling कुछ तो हो जाए जिंदगी में ले बड़ा भेज देता कुछ that things is not going to happen with that sharing reels. All thing in your hand, not in the Instagram hand. Fools, stupids. Are you serious? You are sending that reels, sharing that reels and giving the view to that person where you are sharing for some hope and he is getting actual money. Wow. Nice. Perfect. You guys are perfect mindset people, yeah. Change this superstitious thought from your mind and increase your willpower. Increase your willpower to get this from this. This is in your hand, not in any other people's hand. Not me, neither your parents. नहीं बोलूंगा ज्यादा, विवाद हो जाएगा. Right? Let's see, guys. So we can use this application. Yes. Now you can see, guys, right now when we are going to run this application 5, and thanks for using this application. Namaste. So I hope everybody understood about this particular functionality, that when to use the component, when to change the component name, when to use the server, when to use the values. I hope I given you the idea about the programming terms, not only the conceptual terms, right? Everybody understood it? Tomorrow onwards, we are going to deep dive on some other content of annotation, which is the last phase of annotation, and which take 3 days for completing. Almost all annotations are completed, which is useful for you, for interview and for industry. All things are used. Now I'm going to give you some extra and the most important annotation for next 3 days. Means Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are going to work with that particular part, which is the most important thing. And my sincere request, please don't use XMLs. I understood we go for a 20 days, you are comfortable with XML, shift yourself to annotations, right? 54 batch number and 55 is there. 54 and 55 is there. Guys, I had heard that you guys are not doing programmings. Please start doing the programmings. Online people, please share your repository controller. Can you explain it, sir? Definitely, Savir. I will explain it in a very well manner. Let time come. We'll see. Right? Fine, guys. So I will share you the notes and share you the tasks, right? You have to complete it. Thank you, everyone. Please don't miss the class these days. Thank you. Thank you, online people. You can leave. Yeah, practice this. I will share you the task. Online people, please practice it. Yeah, please. Fine. Great. You can leave.